QPay is the world's largest university student engagement platform. We're on every campus in Australia and have a presence in over 100 campuses in 4 countries. Since starting in 2017, QPay has processed tens of millions of dollars for over 500,000 users and is fast becoming an important part of campus life. My name is Zeki and this is Mo, and we are the co-founders of QPay. Our big, hairy, audacious goal is to have a hand in all the transactions people make under the age of 25, specifically the university student demographic where QPay is currently used.
The reason behind this goal is that we recognized early on that saving money is hard. The problem is that negative financial decisions are largely driven by habitual behaviours. It isn't easy, clear, or convenient to make a change. In this way, like so many other positive habits like going to the gym, they never happen because it's really hard to get started. This leads to the crazy stats of 48% of Aussies living paycheck to paycheck, and with people under the age of 25 being the most financially stressed in history. The solution is to ramp up towards positive financial habits. We find that the best way to make this simple and convenient is to identify intersection points to deliver value in a passive, accurate, and timely way.
So to do this, QPay offers a range of interconnected services, bringing all the functions of a university campus into one place. So there are 4 key stakeholders that form the campus ecosystem. The university sits at the top of the ecosystem and uses QPay to manage all of their administrative functions like elections and clubs on campus. The clubs then use QPay to manage their club functions by selling tickets to events, merchandise, and memberships. And finally, we onboard merchants in and around campus and online who use QPay to provide discounts to students. Each of the stakeholders uses QPay due to our unique ability to bring together the services that existed separately before. So for example, clubs use QPay to sell tickets to events because it integrates with their membership database automatically, allowing members access to cheaper member-only tickets. In another example, universities use QPay because it automates their insurance and COVID compliance processes whenever a club creates an event on QPay. QPay has dozens of intersection points like these that all come together to provide a convenient experience for each stakeholder, and that makes it difficult for competitors to provide the same value without replicating the whole system.
The intersection point we're most excited about, and the one that helps us with our users' spending habit, is the QPay MasterCard. Students who buy memberships to clubs, imagine the Law Society or the Kanye West Appreciation Society, pay anywhere between $20 to $50 a year, in part to meet like-minded people, and in equal part to get various discounts to places on and off campus. This typically functions like a loyalty program with a card or sticker flashed at the point of sale to get discounts like a free drink with a meal purchase. Early last year, we pushed out a MasterCard to replace this system, where universities and clubs distribute QPay MasterCards instead, and discounts are given in the form of cashback for relevant purchases. Since launching our pilot replacement in 2019, students absolutely love it. QPay has distributed over 40,000 cards with just under $70 million spent, and 14% of our active users using the card as their main spending account. Our partner merchants also love it, uploading an average of 1 deal every 2 weeks. The one we had the most fun with was a Zambrero deal at the ANU for a competition as to who could eat the most chiquitos in a week.
Winner getting to 27. So we're growing and we're growing fast. The majority of growth is fueled by a combination of organic growth and the inherently social aspects of our platform. We're on track for $2.1 million of revenue by the end of the year, a 5x multiple from the previous year. We've also secured a partnership with a leading bank in Australia to generate revenue whilst also passively introducing positive financial habits to our users. A couple of years before they get their first year's job, and introducing students to the concepts of savings and why it's important. Using our proprietary AI system, this gives our users actionable insights on every purchase and a goal to save based on their particular spending habits.
We're the team to deliver this. We're proud to say we've been featured in multiple channels from the Sydney Morning Herald, Channel 10, Sky News, Business Insider, and recently Shark Tank. We have a world-class board and we are backed by leading investors in Australia, with whom we've raised $1.4 million of capital already.
Hi, I'm naomisimson, and Mo, Zach and the team at QPay have done a wonderful job. I met them in Shark Tank. In fact, they were the last pitch on the last day and I couldn't resist myself. They've really managed to scale and grow their business. I particularly like the fact that they're working with a young community, making sure that they're teaching and educating people to be fiscally responsible. Great product, got traction and is growing.
So we onboard over 200,000 users each year. So if you think about it, each one is a potential QPay cardholder who we can deliver that convenience to so that by the time they graduate, they're best positioned to have those positive financial habits that carry through to when they actually have a higher income.
We are getting in on the ground floor with people who will go on to be the highest earners in the general population. We've partnered with Birchal to offer you a chance to be part of the QPay journey. With your investment, we'll be able to accelerate our growth, increase our footprint across campuses globally, and really make a dent in how people save money.